So, hi, dear Gemini. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of December 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Action can be from your side also. Please keep that in mind as it's a mutual reading. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And this is a reading for those who are in no contact or no communication, preferably for those who are in no contact for less than 1 year or so. Okay, let's see, Gemini. The person that you are in no contact or no communication with, the person that's on your mind right now, that you are in no contact or no communication with, whether it's a lover or a friend or a sibling or somebody else, let's see their feelings for you, current feelings for you right now. So we have Nine of Swords, Magician, Nine of Cups. Bottom of the deck is a Nine of Wands. See, honey, this is somebody who is stressed out beyond words. They're not able to sleep at night. Right now, their whole life is messed up. The more they are trying to fix their life, the more they are getting in the negative spiral. This is not about you only. This is about multiple things that's happening in their life at the same time. They're manifesting peace, they're manifesting happiness, they're manifesting this energy of universe. Please help me to get out of this stressful, anxious, and sleepless and insomnia kind of energies. They know they messed up, or the situation was very messed up, whatever happened between you guys. Now they're kind of a little bit in regret also, but at the same time, this person is feeling like, I cannot change whatever happened in my life, but I also deserve peace. I also deserve happiness. So, universe, please help me to figure out ways to be happy, to be at peace again. That includes you also, this bond also. Okay. Bottom of the deck is a Nine of Wands. This is like the energy that is hidden, that they are not very aware of. Even if this person is like their walls are very, very up and they're wounded, they're hurt, this person is not completely giving up on the situation till now. It's like 10%, they still have hope. They still feel the hope that someday maybe we guys are going to reconnect and we guys are going to be at peace again with each other, even if it is just as a friendship kind of a deal, right? So this is someone who feels very anxious, very stressed out. A lot of things are not going well in their life, including this situation. They are manifesting happiness. They have given up almost given up on the situation, but not fully. Still hopeful, that 10% hopeful that sometime, someday, maybe we guys will be able to reconnect again. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini? We have the Justice, Ten of Pentacles, Page of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. This person wants to do justice with the situation. And by the word justice, if you guys were already married or committed to each other, this person wants to bring the balance back in the situation, right? They want to start this chapter all over again with you. They want to learn new ways to start from the start, to bring the balance back in the back in the connection, to bring the justice back in the connection. If you guys were not married or committed to each other, now this person wants to take this situation very, very seriously. Now this person wants to learn the ways to do whatever it takes from their side to do the justice with the situation and make the situation go to the level that you guys deserve, both of you. Okay. Nobody's showing me the love today. Everyone is showing me the practical aspect, the hate, the revenge. There is no hate and revenge here, actually. There is guilt, there is stress, there is anxiety over the situation. But where is the love, honey? So this person wants to do the justice here, wants to balance it out with you. For some of you, if you guys were dealing with a married person or married woman or man, doesn't matter. Now this person wants to focus on their marriage. If you were dealing with that kind of person, especially if they have kids or they're planning to have kids. If not, this person wants to start this chapter all over again with you, and this time they want to do the justice do the justice with you with the situation. Bottom of the deck is the Emperor. Now this person wants to take the charge of the situation in their own hands and do whatever it takes from their side in order to make this situation go to a beautiful level. Take it how it resonates with you according to your circumstances. But this person wants to do the justice here, balance it out with you, whatever it means. If they did something really wrong with you, they want to apologize for that. They want to make it clear with you. They want to pay their karma for that. If not, I told you so many scenarios here. Take whichever is yours, because no contact can be with a family member also. It's not always romantic. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the end of December 2025, Gemini. We have Sun card, Empress, Six of Swords, bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. Although these are not the cards of actions, there are chances, Gemini, that you guys are going to clear the air with each other. And I think you guys are going to go on your individual paths. I don't see both of you coming together, having reconciliation, but somehow there are chances that you guys are going to have proper clarity and understanding of what the situation represents to you. There is a pregnancy or a child involved in the situation for some of you. For others of you, you guys are heading towards a new person, new energy, and you guys are finding your happily ever after somewhere else. Whatever it is, you guys are going to get the proper clarity and understanding of that maybe this situation is not meant for you anymore. The situation is gone, the connection is gone, and you guys are going to choose to move on towards calmer water. I don't think so you guys are going to communicate, but somehow you guys are going to get the proper clarity on both the sides that this situation is not going to be a romantic situation anymore. So what's the use of spending your time, effort, or energy on waiting for someone or something that's not there for you anymore? So for the time being, you guys are going to go on your separate ways. And even if you guys are going to talk to each other or not, I do see you guys are going to get the proper clarity and understanding that for the time being, this situation is not meant to be. Bottom of the deck is the Seven of Pentacles. Yes, slowly but surely you are going to get the closure. You are going to get the proper understanding, the clarity, the crystal clear clarity about the situation. Maybe one of you is going to get married to somebody else, or one of you is going to get pregnant with somebody else, or one of you is going to declare to the other person or tell the other person here that they are moving forward in their life towards a new person, new situation, new city, new life, or whatever it is. The action is not direct, but somehow you are going to get the clarity, and you guys are going to choose to keep moving forward, not coming back together. Okay, cool. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Gemini. We have Three of Swords, Seven of Cups, and the High Priestess. Bottom of the deck is Queen of Wands. It's completely okay. It's completely fine to feel hurt. You don't have to distract yourself by doing multiple things at the same time. And all you're getting at the end of the day is being drained out, burnt out, feeling overwhelmed. Sit with this discomfort, sit with this pain, understand that there is still pain there, even if it is like this thing happened 3 months ago, 3 weeks ago, 3 years ago. I don't care. There is still pain there that you need to heal and release properly. Stop distracting yourself with maybe multiple people, multiple energies, multiple things, multiple situations at the same time. Your intuition is continuously telling you to stop and heal the pain, release the pain slowly but surely. Healing the pain, releasing the pain simply means accepting that you are still hurting. There's still something that's bothering you, okay, on a deeper level. And it's going to take time for this situation to melt, to completely dissolve, right? We never forget about anyone. No matter how spiritual we are, how, evolved we are, we just become mature with age, with time, with experiences. It simply means that you have to feel your feelings, and it's okay to cry, it's okay to feel the pain. You're a human, you're not a robot Gemini. Okay, listen to your intuition. Your intuition is telling you about this situation from quite a long time now, and you're ignoring it. Maybe you're still living in the hope that everything is going to be fine, someday we guys are going to be together. It's not happening. At least for the time being, it's not happening. And even if it is going to hurt you or bother you, my only job here is to tell you the truth. Okay, so distracting yourself with multiple things and being in this toxic positivity or toxic hopeful energies that someday it's going to be okay, everything is going to be fine between me and this person, it's not helping you. It's actually harming you and hurting you from inside. Try to understand the point here. Okay, bottom of the deck is a Queen of Wands. You are trying to pretend that everything is fine, my life is so sorted, my life is so beautiful, see, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm doing this. Don't lie to yourself. At least be honest with yourself. Give yourself the permission to cry. Give yourself the permission to feel the pain. Sit with this pain. Then you are going to evolve and grow naturally and organically. The whole humankind is on this planet Earth to evolve, to go through painful cycles again and again and again until we learn our lessons, all of them, and make peace with our life and start loving ourselves and taking care of ourselves the way we want others to do it for us. That's the whole message for humankind. That's the whole purpose of getting a human life. Oh, God. हेलो माँ, वीडियो बना रही हूँ मैं कर रही हूँ 10 मिनट में आपको. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Okay, so let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, like this area, this particular situation. This portion also might or might not resonate with you, Gemini. Please keep that in mind because it is also a journal thing, journal reading, and I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds. If this is not enough, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. Okay, so you can close your eyes, take three deep breaths. Ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 10 to 15 seconds. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is choose a new direction. Got it? Told ya. Let me explain from the guidebook if you feel like getting the explanation, or you can leave if you don't want to. This card deals with your path or the direction you're taking. For example, let's say you have come to the cards because you are yearning to start your own business and you pull the card, choose a new direction. Remember, this is not the no card in this deck, so there is more to this message. This card is calling you to dig deeper into the direction you're going and make sure you are making the best choices available to you on the path you have selected. This card may also be a call to look at the question you are asking. Do you keep pushing the divine for an answer you already know or have received but are refusing to accept? That's what I was telling you. These cards can be very blunt when it comes to helping you face the truth, helping you face the truth. This is what it is, honey. You have to accept it. If not now, completely up to you. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you.